In this video, we are going to review Cursor versus Windsurf versus Copilot. Which one is the best? Now let's go ahead and jump straight into it. In 2025, AI coding tools are on fire. Now let's start with Cursor. It's a fully AI native code editor built on VS Code. You can chat with your code, refactor whole files, and debug using natural language, all inside your editor. It's perfect for solo developers who want to build fast with less mental load. Now let's go ahead to Windsurf. Windsurf is designed for teams and large projects. It's less about autocomplete and more about understanding your entire code base. You can generate tests, explain legacy code, track issues across repos. It's like AI meets DevOps. It's ideal for companies and engineers working at scale. Now, Copilot, it's still the most popular and for good reason. It's simple, fast, and feels like autocomplete on steroids. But it's starting to show its limits. It's great for boilerplate and snippets, but lacks the deep context that Cursor and Windsurf has now to offer. So what's the verdict? Use Cursor if you are a solo builder, go for Windsurf if you are in a big team, and stick with Copilot if you just want smart auto completion. Each tool has its place. Choose the one that fits your workflow. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.